but you came searching just for me. You pulled me out and made me whole. I was so far, but you called my name. I was unworthy, still you loved me. Your love is beyond me, beyond what I can understand. You gave me endless mercy. You love me just the way I am. I looked behind and saw my sin, but you saw more, you saw my heart. Nothing can keep me from your love. You held me close right from the start. I was so far, but you called my name. I was unworthy, still you love me. Your love is beyond me, beyond what I can understand. You gave me endless mercy. You love me just the way I am. I want nothing else but you. Your love is all I'm longing for. I worship you forevermore, 'cause you love me first, my Lord. Your love, oh God, it heals my broken heart. I'll sing it all my days, forever, never part. In the darkness of my life, you came and gave me life. I was far away from you, but you drew me close in love. All my sins you washed away. You have changed my heart today. Now I'm new because of you, walking in your perfect truth. You are good, oh God, you are holy. Your love never ends, it surrounds me. I will praise you with all my heart. You are everything to me. You are good, oh God, I adore you. the trials that I face, you have never left my side. You're my refuge and my shield. In your presence I will hide. You are good, oh God, you are holy. Your love never ends, it surrounds me. I will praise you with all my heart. You are everything to me. Even when the world rejects me, you will never turn away. When I fall, you lift me up. You are with me every day. There is no one else like you. No one saves the way you do. I will serve you all my days. Lord, I give you